Good day everyone, once again this is June Carlo, your property consultant. So guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng lot only or farm lot na binibenta dito sa Sampaloc, Tanay, Rizal, please continue to watch this video. So guys, we are here right now in Sampaloc, Rizal, no? And ongoing po yung development at cemented road tsaka drainage system sa ating property. So kung naghahanap kayo ng investment or pwedeng patayuan ng rest house or farmhouse in the future, comment down below or schedule a tripping with us. So yan guys, so that is our current development po. Ayan siya. So meron ding part na overlooking view, no, sa may gantang area doon. At itong area na to is nasa gitna siya. And also, ang kagandahan dito guys is this is just along the highway, no. So from the Sampaloc Road, no, nandun na yung property talaga natin. Ayan. Okay, so if you are interested, comment down below or message us through Viber, WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!